Hello beauties, welcome again to Women Hairstyles. I just want you guys to embrace your short natural hairstyles because it really offers the world of creativity and self-expression for you to rock your crown with pride. So you can see how this chick boldness of a beautiful cut is striking and giving you those kind of style for you to reflect every lifestyle. One thing with this style is that we venture into this world of diverse and dynamic looks. Remember the importance of nourishing and loving your natural traces. Let the styles inspire you to experiment with confidence and embrace your unique beauty. One thing with this style is a style that is wash and go and is versatile and is that kind of trending and iconic styles for beautiful black women. So if it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. One thing about the style is that kind of short haircut that is iconic for beautiful matured women, and it's that style that will continue to inspire and influence your day because you can see how the style looks so fashionable and a touch of and giving you that kind of touch of chic sophistication to your ritual hairstyle. So I just love this haircut because it's bold and it's an empowering statement. So statement haircut, and one thing with the style is the beautiful haircut that is so flattering and is one of the most classic short hairstyles for beautiful women to look gorgeous and sophisticated. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. God bless you guys.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up